In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a chat ID in Zoho Cliq, whether you're writing a deluge command or preparing for API calls. This will be especially helpful for those of you who are delving into automation or enhancing your workflow efficiency with Zoho Cliq. So let's dive into it. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Cliq account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the top right of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, head over to the Bots and Tools section. This area is your gateway to various tools and settings that allow you to enhance your interaction within Cliq, including creating and managing custom commands. After you land on the Bots and Tools section, focus your attention on the left pane of your screen. Here you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in is Commands. Click on Commands to proceed. Now, if you already have a command you're working with, you can select it from the list. If you don't, no worries. You can always create a new command specifically for our purpose today. Either way, once you have your command ready, click on Edit Code, which will allow you to modify or input new deluge scripts. Now the key part. Let's get hands-on with the deluge script. Insert the deluge script that's designed to capture the chat ID directly in the edit window. It's important to verify that the code is inserted accurately to ensure it functions as expected. If you're unfamiliar with coding in Deluge, don't worry. Just take it slow and make sure each part of the script is correctly placed within the code editor. Once you've inserted the deluge script, the next step is to save the command. Saving your work is crucial to avoid losing it and ensures that the command is ready to be executed. After saving, you'll want to test the command to see it in action. You can do this by running the command in any chat, whether it's a personal direct message or a broader group chat or channel. Upon executing the command, the chat ID will be returned directly in the chat, offering you a seamless way to retrieve this important piece of information without having to leave the Cliq environment. This method provides a straightforward and efficient way to determine the chat ID using Zoho Cliq's interface and tools. It's a handy trick to have in your toolbox, especially if you often find yourself working with APIs or scripting within Zoho's ecosystem. I hope this tutorial helps simplify your workflow with Zoho Cliq. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips and tutorials.